Music is my machine, my escape from the mad dream. Modern day Kerouac on this beat scene. Fight the power with a pipe dream, feeding us propaganda bullshit like this shit is ice cream. Strike a chord like it's lightning, lyrics shooting light beams. Kill the game and leave the crime scene. Be sure to wipe this mic clean, no prints, no witnesses, while I'm slicing through this rhyme scheme. My music can be frightening, this is old school. Earmuffs or she might scream. Colorado flow so cold you see the ice steam. Gotta give a shout out loud to the unsigned hype team. I could be like B.I.G, achieving my dreams. No King B, but there's a first time for everything. Keeping rap from becoming extinct, too baked from this edible to thinking. Yeah, I had a couple drinks, fill my cup up at the kitchen sink. Standing on the brink of something linked to truth, I think that's while I write my words with this ink. Feel the pages come to life within you. Linguistic sick kid, majestic unicorn lifted, gifted, master of the universe shifting every instance of life in its existence. Pegasus swings while y'all are popping pistons.